The Hermetic Order of the Golden Dawn, Latin, Ordo Hermeticus Aurori Aureae, more commonly the Golden Dawn, Aurora Aurea, was a secret society devoted to the study and practice of occult hermeticism and metaphysics during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Known as a magical order, the Hermetic Order of the Golden Dawn was active in Great Britain and focused its practices on theurgy and spiritual development. Many present-day concepts of ritual and magic that are at the center of contemporary traditions, such as Wicca and Thelema, were inspired by the Golden Dawn, which became one of the largest single influences on 20th century Western occultism. The three founders, William Robert Woodman, William Wynne Westcott, and Samuel Liddell Mathers, were Freemasons. Westcott appears to have been the initial driving force behind the establishment of the Golden Dawn. The Golden Dawn system was based on hierarchy and initiation, similar to Masonic lodges. However, women were admitted on an equal basis with men. The Golden Dawn was the first of three orders, although all three are often collectively referred to as the Golden Dawn and Quat. The first order taught esoteric philosophy based on the Hermetic Kabbalah and personal development through study and awareness of the four classical elements, as well as the basics of astrology, tarot divination, and geomancy. The Order of the Golden Dawn originated from a collection of documents known as the Cipher Manuscripts, written in English using a cipher attributed to German scholar Johannes Trithemius, 1462–1516. These manuscripts outlined the rituals of the order, and prescribed a curriculum of graduated teachings encompassing Hermetic Kabbalah, astrology, tarot, geomancy, and alchemy. According to accepted tradition, the manuscripts were handed from Kenneth Mackenzie, a Masonic scholar, to Reverend A.F.A. Woodford, whom in turn passed them on to Dr. Westcott. In 1887, it is said that Westcott allegedly managed to decode them. Westcott was pleased with his discovery, called on Samuel Liddell MacGregor Mathers for a second opinion, and asked for cooperation in turning the manuscripts into a coherent system for lodge work. Mathers and Dr. Westcott have been credited for developing the ritual outlines and the cipher manuscripts into a workable format. By the mid-1890s, the Golden Dawn was well established in Great Britain, with membership rising to over 100 from every class of Victorian society. In its heyday, many cultural celebrities belonged to the Golden Dawn, such as actress Florence Farr and Irish revolutionary Maud Gonne. Gonne left after she converted to Roman Catholicism. Some well-known members included Arthur Machen, William Butler Yeats, Evelyn Underhill, and Aleister Crowley. Many men and women of the 19th century fin de siècle social culture were members of the Golden Dawn. The different grades of the order are listed below. First Order. Introduction: Neophyte 0 = 0, Zealoter 1 = 10, Theoricus 2 = 9, Practicus 3 = 8, Philosophus 4 = 7. Second Order. Intermediate Portal Grade: Adeptus Minoris 5 = 6, Adeptus Majoris 6 = 5, Adeptus Exemptus 7 = 4. Third Order. Magister Templi 8 = 3, Magus 9 = 2, Ipsissimus 10 = 1. The paired numbers attached to the grades relate to positions on the Tree of Life. The Neophyte grade of 0 = 0 indicates no position on the tree. For the others, the first numeral is the number of steps up from the bottom, Malkuth, and the second numeral is the number of steps down from the top, Kether. The first order grades were related to the four classical elements of earth, air, water, and fire, respectively. The aspirant to a grade received instruction on the metaphysical meaning of each of these elements, and had to pass a written examination and demonstrate certain skills to receive admission to that grade.